Finding the right contractor can be really tough, especially if you have an older home or if you're looking to do a larger renovation project like this. The last thing you want to do is pick a contractor that's going to overlook problems that are going to cost you down the road. This particular project, there was a number of issues caused by prior contractors that they may have looked good from the outside, but if you look behind the scenes, you can see that they were actually covering up their mistakes or they were doing whatever was easiest. For example, all of these joists were cut out to get the new plumbing to the bathroom, but they cut out so much of the joists that there's a big 3-inch deflection in all of the ceiling, so the joists are actually failing. So we had to go back through and actually put in LVLs across the ceiling joist so that we actually get a nice straight ceiling. And I don't want to bore you with all the details of this, but it's really important that you have the right contractors that do the right things and know what they're doing. Another thing about these old homes is that nothing's ever level. When we took a laser to this room, we found that the ceiling was slightly out of level, and we knew that we were putting cabinetry up along the ceiling, so we always want to think about the end in mind. So we took 2x4s and we sistered them up next to the joists, so that way the cabinetry is perfectly level up against the ceiling when everything's all done. Now these are just some examples of how a contractor can overlook problems that cost you down the line. It's important to pick a contractor that's detail-oriented, not afraid to let you know about the unexpected, and to keep your best interests in mind.